So to enable or disable rulers and guide, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on these tools right here. And then on the tools, you want to turn on these rulers right here. Just click on it. And then there will be a rulers on top of your Wix site editor and then on the right side of your Wix site editor. And then to add the guidelines, you can just click on anywhere on the rulers. So for example, if I click on this like 100 right here, there will be these new guidelines. And then you can also add a bunch of it by just clicking on the rulers right here. Just click on it. And then you can also do it on the rulers at the right side of your screen. Just click on it and it will be there. And then to remove the guidelines, to remove it all at once, you can just disable the rulers by clicking on tools again and then uncheck these rulers. And then both rulers and the guidelines will be gone. But if you turn on these rulers again, the guidelines will be appear. And then to remove it for good, you can just click on the guidelines one time and then hit on this delete button and it will be deleted right away. So just click on it one time on this blue triangle and then hit on delete. And there you go. If you still have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will try my best to help and assist you guys. And that's how to enable or disable guidelines and rulers. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.